Hello guys, today I received this product that is a camping lamp. Okay, let me show you. It's like this. I like it because I think you can use it, well, it says that it's for outdoor, okay, but you can use it if you go hiking, if you like fishing. Here are the like the images, and also if you like to do sports outside, maybe like going a bicycle, or if you have like a group that goes to do sports, you can use it. Okay, this it has a hook, it has the USB charging inside, and I like it also because it has like a magnet. So I think it's perfect if you need to leave like the lamp in one side and you need to do things in another side. If you need something to like illuminate, I think this is perfect because it has like two magnets. And well, here it's like the power and the turn on charging. Let's open it. Okay, it's like this, and inside it comes the USB charging. Okay, it's like this. So like this is a lamp, right? It comes like very perfectly taken care. And this here, it comes the two magnets, the bottom to charge it. It's like this. Okay, and here it's the power and turn on bottom. Okay, let's turn it on. It illuminates very well, like you can see there in the wall. Then if we click another time, it goes like a yellow light. If we click another time, it is like with more intense. Like you can see there are like a lot of lights turn it on in the inside. Then it's a red light. Maybe I like this one if you do sports, like going in a bicycle in the street. I think this one is perfect for the cars in the night. And then turn it off. Let me show you the second one. Okay, there you can see that the lights are here just in the center. And then if we click another time, these lights that are inside, it turns on. Okay, so this one is also really good. And I'm going to show you how it looks with the magnets. Okay guys, I'm going to put in this part with the two magnets like this. Okay, and it looks really good. It doesn't fall down. Okay, let me turn it on and show you. Okay, I already turned on the light and it looks like this. I think it illuminates pretty well, but here I have it in another place, so I think that it illuminates like to the door and to the wall. But if we move it to another part, it will looks better. Okay, so it stands there with the magnets, and I like it too much.